Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index traded strongly near 97.95 on Monday, but slipped as concerns over a possible US government shutdown grew. Traders are now eyeing a heavy week of data. The September ISM manufacturing and services PMIs arrive Wednesday and Friday, while the non-farm payrolls report on Friday will be the main event. Another soft print could trigger renewed dollar selling, but a surprise upside would have the opposite effect. Markets will also watch the ADP job survey midweek and speeches from several Fed officials. WTI Crude tumbled more than 3% in a single day, sliding to around $63 after Kurdish oil exports resumed. The market remains caught between fears of supply disruptions from the Russia-Ukraine conflict and expectations of higher flows from Iraq. On the week, WTI futures still gained more than 4.5%, while Brent rose over 3%. Traders are weighing the short-term lift from Russia's fuel export ban against longer-term risks of rising global inventories. Gold extended its rally in Monday's European session, breaking above the key $3,800 mark for the first time and reaching as high as $3,834 an ounce, up nearly 2%. The surge was fueled by softer US inflation data, reinforcing expectations of more Fed rate cuts this year and pressuring the dollar. A low rate environment lowers the opportunity cost of holding gold, making it more attractive to investors. Safe haven demand also picked up amid geopolitical tensions and the risk of a US government shutdown. The dollar slipped against the yen on Monday, trading just below 149. Softer US PCE inflation data reinforced the view that the Fed will stay on track with rate cuts, weakening the greenback. On the Japanese side, politics may play a role. The Liberal Democratic Party leadership election takes place on October 4. If a dovish candidate wins, it could delay the Bank of Japan's next rate hike, potentially adding upward pressure on the dollar-yen pair. For now, traders are balancing US policy signals against Japan's political backdrop. The euro extended its rally on Monday, trading near 1.172. Weakness in the dollar came after US inflation data boosted expectations of another Fed rate cut in October. On the European side, the ECB has held rates steady for 2 straight meetings, suggesting it may be near the end of its easing cycle. Economic data remain mixed, with services showing signs of recovery while manufacturing continues to lag, leaving the euro supported but not without challenges.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.